What did you find in your nose, buddy?
A booger.
What'd you do with your booger?
Open it.
What did you find? Did you find a booger? What'd you do with it?
Don't know.
Why?
I want to eat it.
You're not supposed to eat your boogers.
Yeah.
No, they're yucky.
Yeah, I want. It's breakfast time.
It's breakfast time, so you ate a booger?
It's breakfast time. Not burgers for eating. Just lunch.
Only eat boogers for lunch.
No burgers for lunch.
Buddy, they're gross. They're yucky.
Yes, that's right. They're yucky.
So don't eat them.
Yeah, they're yuck and don't eat them.
Good boy.